Unveiling the mystery of sooty mold. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in English conversations about plants and gardening. Sooty mold. It's not just any ordinary mold. It has specific characteristics that make it unique. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and learn about this intriguing term, let's get started. Sooty mold refers to a fungal growth that you might find on plants. It's called sooty because it looks like soot, the black, powdery substance that comes from burning materials like coal or wood. Imagine a plant's leaves covered with a layer of this black dust, and you have an idea of what sooty mold looks like. But don't worry, despite its appearance, sooty mold doesn't typically harm the plant directly. Now, you might wonder how this mold appears on plants. The culprit is usually insects like aphids or scale insects. These insects secrete a sticky substance known as honeydew, and sooty mold grows on this sweet excretion. So, when you see sooty mold, it's often a sign that these insects are around. While sooty mold itself isn't harmful to plants, it can indirectly cause problems. A heavy coating of mold can block sunlight, which plants need for photosynthesis. This can lead to a plant that's less vigorous and healthy. Therefore, gardeners often want to get rid of sooty mold to ensure their plants can get enough light. If you're dealing with sooty mold in your garden, the first step is to tackle the insect problem. Once you control the insects, the honeydew source dries up, and sooty mold has a hard time sticking around. You can also clean it off the leaves with soapy water or neem oil, which are gentle on plants but effective in removing mold. I hope this exploration into the world of sooty mold has been enlightening. It's a great example of how English language can be so specific and descriptive. Remember, encountering sooty mold isn't the end of the world for a plant, but it is a signal to check for those pesky insects. Thanks for watching.